All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome. So let's go to lesson 10, and this will be on page S.34, okay? So before we actually jump into the lesson, let's just do a quick game plan of what's going to happen. Here, the learning intention, let's have it down, and then I'll talk about it after. But let's just review for 1 minute this concept, and then we're going to jump right in. But let z equal our favorite complex number, 3 plus 4i. How do the following change geometrically? So here, just take 2 seconds to do this. If I have z, which is here, which is 3 plus 4i, if I add 2, how does it change geometrically? If I subtract 2, how does it change geometrically? If I add 2i, if I subtract 2i, how does this point z move when I am performing these operations? Okie dokie, just take like a minute, just do the algebra, put the points, and we'll go through it, okay? Pause the video. I have z, and I add 2 to it. Notice that you went 2 units to the right. If I subtracted 2, I went 2 units to the left. Add 2i, I went 2 up, and if I subtracted 2i, I go down. The main summary we had from the last lesson is, if I want to go right, I need to add a real number. If I want to go left, I subtract a real number. If I want to go up, I add an imaginary number, and if I want to go down, I subtract an imaginary number. So this is what happens when we add and subtract. So the goal for today is, what happens when we multiply? Okay, what is the geometric effect of multiplying a complex number by a real number? So if I have my favorite number 3 plus 4i, how does multiplying a real number, I don't know, 5, how does it look geometrically on this plane? What if I take 3 plus 4i and I times it by I? What will happen geometrically? What happens when I just multiply 1? 3 plus 4i. How does that look geometrically? And what happens if I take some a plus bi, a complex number, and I multiply it by 3 plus 4i? What is the geometric effect of multiplication within the complex plane? That's the idea for lesson 10, and that's the things we're going to explore. What I want you to do is, to go through this exploration, just do S.34, 1a to d, and 2a to c, and they are right over here, right? Do these questions and pause the video and just do a quick review, okay? And then we're going to go to the next part.